And amid this, the Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh saying that the exit polls have been prepared at the BJP headquarters. Listen into what he said.
पहली बात तो ये जो एग्जिट पोल है ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी के दफ्तर में तैयार किया गया है और जितने भी आंकड़े आप देखेंगे सारे टीवी चैनल के आंकड़े लगभग एक जैसे हैं। अब कौन यकीन करेगा कि 34% वोट शेयर बीजेपी को तमिलनाडु में मिल रहा है? कौन यकीन करेगा कि 0 से 2 सीट आम आदमी पार्टी को पंजाब में आ रही है? मतलब ऐसे आंकड़े आप दे रहे हो जिस पे लोग हंस रहे हैं। इसका मतलब आज आम आदमी पार्टी से सबसे ज्यादा नफरत किसको है? बीजेपी को है। बीजेपी ने अपने दफ्तर में बता दिया भाई 0 से 2 सीट आएगी आम आदमी पार्टी की पंजाब में, लिख दो, वही एग्जिट पोल वाले लिख दे रहे हैं।
Ajay Maken of the Congress party also claiming mass rigging, saying that counting agents were not allowed and saying that there is a bigger rigging than EVM rigging that's taking place. So the Congress party has already started saying that there is rigging and they've questioned the entire poll process as well. EVM Bahana coming out once again, the opposition, after what the exit polls have predicted, raising questions on the entire poll process and the counting as well. The counting is going to take place on the June 4th, but the Congress party seems to have already said that there is some alleged EVM rigging taking place. Ankit, take us through the reaction of the Congress.
So I'm going to read a trio of tweets, Pratibha. Ajay Maken starts off, candidates counting agents at the ARO table are not being allowed for the first time. I have contested 9 Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha elections in the past, and this is happening for the first time. If true, this is bigger than the alleged EVM rigging. I am flagging this issue for all candidates. I hope the EC rectifies it. To that, Jairam Ramesh has retweeted with a quote, and the quote is mass rigging. So Congress says that this is a means to mass rigging. Meanwhile, a former Congress leader, I'm just throwing this in, Pratibha, Acharya Pramod Krishnam has tweeted, 4 जून की शाम को शहजादे भी साधना करने जाएंगे, गुफा की तलाश जारी है. So on 4th June, Shahzade, that is Rahul, will also go to do meditation. He is searching for a cave to do so, and so this is a jibe also that has been thrown. But more importantly, the Congress is claiming mass rigging.
Okay, all right. Mass rigging, alleged the EVM excuse is also back. Of course, the opposition leaders have time and again said that, but no such questions being raised when the Congress comes to power in a few of the assembly elections that we've seen recently. Ankit and Akanksha, thank you for joining us with those details. Quick break now. We'll be right back.